my God.
3, 2, 1, go!
This thing's gonna hit you in the head!
We're standing on the ground.
No, this stick is gonna hit you in the head!
Oh, the rope is
Stop!
That.
It's still not. You're weightless.
Okay, breathe.
We need to reevaluate.
You're breaking the stick.
Take a step off there.
You're breaking the stick. You're breaking the stick.
1, 2, 3, go!
Take one step off. Put all your weight on the footstool. Lift slowly. Slower. Let's try the original thing.
It's not lower. The rope is longer. Now I get it. It's like, come this way, guys. Come this way. You'll have better shot.
You'll have a better shot. You're gonna break the stick.
They tried to cross the Old West with oxen, but no, we needed...
1, 2, 3.
Pretty close. Pretty close.
I don't think so. I think we need to pull it at the fulcrum of the wrench lever. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, dude, man.
I'm trying. I don't want to get you hurt.
You ain't gonna hurt me, trust me. 1, 2, 3.
You're gonna break that stick.
What the hell? It's breaking. You broke my stick. Oh! It will give its last breath.
It's going to throw this big rock really far here in just a minute.
Jared, come pull. Wait, what?
Yeah, I can see that car over there.
Really now, we could use this one stick. And that'll, like, the only reason I broke is because I was able to have that.
Yeah, it was too wide. Let's raise the loop and sit on it again. What do you think?
Alright, I'm gonna stop recording and then I'll do another one. Hey, now you have 2 sticks. Seth! He ruined it, Mom!
I thought it was batting practice. How much force I got.
That's also how much force you should not use on a rock. Can I see that?
Tie it up higher because it's going to bend.
Yeah, I know.
It's going to stretch.
Worst case scenario, we made a swing for Darren.
Yeah. You can just like put your legs across it. You can just like crotch that thing.
We need a seat.
That is the seat. The piece of wood is your seat.
Yeah, that would kind of suck if there's a bump in it. Right where you're sitting. Yeah, you don't got that much equipment that's going to make a difference.
Jared, quit walking in front of the camera.
Talk to that.
You pick that up for me.
You need to work out better now. You should quit recording.
Oh.
We're not gonna
Okay, let's not use the knife there.
do it. Stop it, Danny. Stop it, Paul. Get the other end of the stick or something. Why don't you push it with your hands, damn it? Give me more. No, it gives you nothing. You're poking at it. If you're poking at it, it's going to hit us in the face, and I ain't going to let
Black Danny crap.
Push back, Seth. I believe in you.
You believe in you? Jack. They think I'll take the body now.
Oh, we got the tree now. The tree's on our side. Come on. You got to keep up with me. On a level tree. Run.
We still have more trees to do, Mom.
Run that way.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Put it like that. Here, let me see what.
I just...
There's no farmer who's down.
Graham, shake that.
Better yet, the last.
Oh, it's doing it. Look at it.
It's working. It's killing it.
Go in circles. There you go, like that.
Look at
Hold on, we'll get pull from the both of us out and get it.
Are you getting it? Are you getting it all, Daddy?
I'm gonna back up so I can get more of it.
Oh, God, dude.
Okay, you gotta get in sync.
You okay, Jimbo?
Just my pride. Maybe a tailbone.
Fuck you!
Well, we knew it was going to happen eventually.
I knew it was gonna be me.
Just so you know, you got the wood. See you next time.
It's impressive. Yeah, it's like dead inside too. Look at it. Don't forget to get your stick and your